Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the alloy mirror kit from Tusk. Alright, so today we're taking a closer look at the alloy mirror kit coming from Tusk. Now I will be the first to admit that until I had spent a lot of time in side-by-sides, I never really thought of mirrors as being one of those must-have accessories, but quickly they became one. In fact, we have a top 5 video and we even say in there that mirrors are one of our must-have accessories for any new UTV or any UTV in general. You gotta know what's going on behind you when you're backing up, and also what I like about them is when you're in a group of riders, it just allows you to keep track and know what's going on with the riders that are behind you. Now keep in mind that these mirrors do come in a kit of 2, so when you pick yours up for UTV, you're just gonna need 1 kit. So if you're shopping for some mirrors, 2 standout features about these from Tusk is first, really good construction, and the other is really good price point. So it's a 5-inch convex mirror, shatter resistant, and if you are wondering, it is going to be adjustable, very simple. Just press on the outside here, you can move that to where you want it. And the construction is what really, for me, stands out the most. Okay, these are built to just handle the abuse that you're gonna throw at them. So the shell, the mount, as well as the clamp are all made from high quality aluminum. You can see it's got that black finish to it, so I think they just look really good. And when it comes to mounting, okay, they're just gonna mount right up to your A-pillar. But one thing you do wanna keep in mind is if you have a half or a full windshield, okay, you might have to modify your windshield to get these clamps on there. So just one thing to be mindful of. But for you Polaris owners out there, we actually do have the A-pillar mirror mounts. Now you can buy these by themselves or you can pick them up as a kit with the mirrors. But what these allow you to do if you have a Polaris is just mount these right to where your A-pillar and your roll cage mount is. So whether you have a windshield or not, it does not matter because these will mount up below that. So if you're a Polaris owner, I'd recommend going with those A-pillar mirror mounts. They make a big difference. But there it is. That is the alloy mirror kit coming from Tusk. Comes with all the hardware, everything you need to get these mounted up. If you have questions, you can comment below, or you can ask your questions on our product page and get answers from customers who have bought and are using these mirrors. And to pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Don't forget the orders over $75 ship free. If you like this product spotlight, you want to see more like it, along with our UTV builds or how-to videos, well, make sure you subscribe. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.